What is up, my guys? What is up, chaps? I actually just want to ask a question to myself, and that is, I've been using this to wash the wheels. I mean, when you really want to clean the wheels, you use this. Quite expensive, 100 odd rand, 150, 160 rand for this. This is Turtle Wax Redline wheel cleaner. It's a cleaner that turns purple when you spray it on and cleans the wheels nice and nice. But there's a new kid on the block, Blixem. Okay, Blixem. This is a degreaser. But I see Mr. Late use it on the rims, and it cleans the rims like a bitch. It's quite strong. So what I'm going to do is actually compare the two. Is this any better than this? Because the price difference alone is crazy. This Midas 39 rand a bottle for 500 ml. You want to buy the big bottle, it's 160 bucks. And then we got this bottle, which is 160 bucks alone, which is not even 500 ml. It's 500 ml. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I actually let my wheels get real filthy. Okay, that is filthy AF. You get me? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the left side with the Blixem, and then you can see my right side is just as filthy, if not more. I'm going to get real disgusting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this side with the turtle wax, and then we're going to compare it afterwards. Because let's just think about it here. If the Blixem is really good, why in the flipping hell would you buy turtle wax? You take this, chuck it right in the bin. But I have yet to use this, but I've seen it work very, very well. So let's put it to the test. Let's compare the two. This is a small maniki whipping on a more bigger maniki that's very expensive. So this is going to be really interesting. I really want to see how it looks, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. Let's get to washing it, yo. First impressions, there's a really strong citrusy smell to it. It smells like viscose or something. Already you can see quite a bit of dirt coming off the wheel. That's strange, you don't see it with a let's pull in a little closer. Oh my goodness, does it clean it nicely, eh? Also cleans the tire. That dirt dry. The turtle wax has like a really strong smell to it. Wow, you can already see what is happening. So this is eating the Cape Town brake dust. Oh, very, very potent. Also, please note these wheels were redone, so they're not like as old as a car. So let them drop dry, wipe them off with a clean cloth, and then let's check how they look afterwards. And folks, the results are in. My goodness, the Blixem. That is the monkey's doo-doo. This stuff cleans the wheels real good. Real good. Look at that. All the flake is gone between here, and it feels so smooth to touch. So that's the Blixem. And one thing I didn't even realize, it cleans the tire. Something you never even really think about, but the tire, all this brown is coming from the tire. That's crazy. And one thing I also noticed is, look at the disc. Okay, I know I need to replace my disc, but look at the disc. it's kind of clean because it's water based. The turtle wax leaves this real crap on your disc. Look at that. So you kind of got to hose your disc off or just go for a small drive just to get that off. But yeah, so this is the turtle wax. Cleans very well, I won't lie. Feels more or less the same. It still feels a little bit sticky. And I mean, it didn't get everything. Look at that. Didn't get everything. Turtle wax, guys. Didn't get everything. And these wheels are the same length of time dirty. So yeah, there's my results. Without a doubt, hands down, Blixem wins by a landslide. Okay, that's not, just so you know, they do not pay me, they do not sponsor me, they do not tell me to say this, but Blixem is meant for degreasing. It has a wheel cleaner, my goodness, it's amazing. Clean the wheel perfectly. It has this clean, smooth touch to it. I mean, it's water based, so it won't, it feels like the paint. It feels like the paint, I'm not joking. So yeah guys, that is my recommendation and that is my comparison between real expensive, you know, versus cheap South African. Yeah, Blixem wins, guys. So tip, do not buy that turtle wax stuff. Take it, chuck in the bin, and you get you some Blixem and you sort yourself out to some clean, sexy wheels. You can't even clean the caliper. That's insane. Look at that. There is a clean caliper. And it cleans the tires and it doesn't leave a crappy residue on the disc. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment and tell me what do you use to clean your wheels. Because from now onwards, I'm using this stuff, okay? Thank you again for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.